Hello everyone! In this short video, I'll show you how to remove the rear tail light assembly. This can be useful if you need to replace a burnt-out bulb or remove the entire tail light for repair or replacement. The process is very simple and only takes a few minutes, so make sure to watch until the end and follow along step by step. First, open the trunk. On the inside, you'll find 3 mounting bolts holding the tail light in place. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove all 3 bolts. Next, look at the center area where you'll see an additional retaining clip. You can carefully remove it using a screwdriver or a power screwdriver. Let me show you a closer look. Here, I'm removing one of the bolts, and right next to it is the retaining clip that also needs to be released. Once all the bolts and the clip have been removed, you can carefully pull the tail light straight out and remove it from the vehicle. And that's it. As you can see, the job is quick and straightforward. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more automotive tutorials. Thanks for watching.